how to clear all media received on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to clear all media received on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and then click settings, and here you will find chats. Click on it and then just click this one, chat history, and here you will find it, clear all chats. Click on it and click this one, also delete media received. Click on it and click clear. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.